The new HDE heavy-duty station is the most powerful soldering station of JBC's product range. It has been designed for soldering applications that require large amount of heat. It works with the ergonomic T470 soldering iron, for which more than 60 tips of different sizes and shapes are available to get the best soldering quality, even on the highest power-demanding applications. The station works with JBC's most efficient soldering system, which recovers tip temperature extremely quickly. This in turn increases work efficiency and allows the users to work with lower temperature. Also available is the heavy-duty tweezers set that, powered by 2 HDE control units, provides twice the power to soldering applications requiring an extra amount of heat. The sleep and hibernation mode drops the tip temperature when the tool is at rest. This means that a tip life will last up to 5 times longer. The quick cartridge extractor allows the operator to change cartridges quickly and safely. The HDE station features multiple editable parameters protected by PIN, which allows the perfect configuration for different soldering processes. JBC stations feature communication ports which allow remote control from a computer and real-time data acquisition of tip temperature and power delivered thanks to JBC Net Traceability software. It also allows direct connection to JBC Smart Fume Extractors, which automatically initiates the fume extraction when the tool is in use and goes into standby mode when the job is done. Ask for a free 30-day trial period and see the advantage of top quality soldering with JBC equipment.